Number 4, note the figure is not drawn to scale. When they tell us this, they're letting us know that this is the general idea of what it is, and it's pretty accurate, but you will not be able to solve this by trying to measure things. And saying, oh, I can measure this, and then that will, no, it's not drawn to scale, don't try to measure it. You're going to have to do math, not just eyeball it. In the figure shown, line M is parallel to line N. What is the value of X? When we have two parallel lines, and then we have a line across them, which is called a transversal, you're going to hear that a lot, there's a whole bunch of theorems and relationships between all the angles that are formed. In sort of broad general terms, and I'll put links to videos down below that explain why all this is true. But just for this, I'm just going to tell you what's true. All those that I just highlighted in orange, the orange highlight, all those angles are the same. And all these angles that I'm highlighting in blue are the same. That's the whole thing. Now, if you go into your geometry textbook, there are going to be a ton of different ways of describing this relationships. There might say things like, alternating interior angles are congruent. Alternating exterior angles are congruent. Same side interior angles are supplementary. There's so many combinations of this. But this little chart right here is the overall relationship. That's all the angles and the ones that are the same as each other. Now, as you can see, like here, you see these two are forming a line together. And whenever we have, and right there, these are forming a line together. They're all over the place. They're forming lines together. Anytime we have two angles that form a line together, they are supplementary. They add up to 180 degrees. So if I'm looking at this, you can say as a general rule, if we're talking about the orange and the blue angles in this picture, the orange angles and the blue angles are supplementary. They add up to 180 degrees. And now if I were to rotate this 90 degrees, I would have, color code this the same way, I would have this same diagram over here. And I'm going to highlight it the same way. The blues, all those blues there are going to be the same. And all these oranges are going to be the same. There we go. And as we said, because this is forming a line, that's going to be 180 degrees. The blues and the oranges together are going to be supplementary. So this is a blue, and this is an orange. And again, I'm not using blue and orange in the sense of, like this is a rule in your book that they're going to say blue angles and orange angles. I'm only saying it in the sense of those are the colors I chose for my diagram of blue and orange. But just to show you the relationship of which angles are the same. So I have this one and this one, which according to my little chart, these are supplementary. The rule you're going to see in your geometry book for this particular relationship is same side interior angles are supplementary. And they mean the same side of the transversal, and interior meaning they're in here in the interior of the parallel lines. Okay, since they add up to 180 degrees, I know this one is 26 and this one is X. So I'm going to zoom out just a little bit, move up. Okay, so that X angle plus that 26 degree angle equals 180 degrees. Now to solve for X, I need to undo what's been done to it. 26 is being added. I need to subtract 26 from both sides. So on the left, that X is left by itself, and on the right, I have 154. So X is equal to 154 degrees, and that is D. There's my answer. Hey guys, if this was helpful or useful in any way, please let YouTube know so I can keep helping you and others like you. Comment, like, share, subscribe, you know the drill. Also, if you're interested in practical or fun math-related items like this math clock or this hopefully humorous t-shirt, click on the links down below to check out my Spreadshop and Etsy stores. Thank you so much for stopping by. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.